I think we'll do better coming from down.
As soon as I stop recording, you gotta open your mouth. Boy, I tell you. You just gotta be on camera, boy. Why you always gotta start to steal? Why you always gotta start to steal the spotlight, man? This is my show. Okay. Nah, you gonna be quiet now? We getting it. I got some help, but he like to steal the show, but it's all good. Yeah, I know how to deal with him. So here's what we've got so far. So we're about to get the roof done. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got something special for you guys today, so keep watching. Okay, YouTube, I'm working on this throttle body, trying to get that taken care of, and let's look at it and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. All right, YouTube, I almost forgot to turn on the camera, but I just about to start with this throttle cable. As you can see, I just took the wire out of the throttle cable. That's very simple. You take this off and pretty much just pull this wire out. You got to separate it to put it in the car anyway. So if you don't know how to do that, then you might be a lost cause anyway. But take the wire apart, get it like this. Next, I'm gonna be I got the clip off of the gas pedal. This was the clip on the gas pedal side. As you can see, that came off. And hold on, let me chime back in. Okay, we back. I found it. So you need this clip to make this all work. This actually clips inside the pedal. So this is going to go in this line, and then that ball is going to hold this. It's going to hold that ball in there, and then that's going to attach to the gas pedal so that it is secure. Just like that, pretty much. All right, let's get the ball rolling, and then we go from there. Okay, working on this throttle body. The cable is not going to work by itself. If you look at that, I mean, I probably can make that work, but I don't feel comfortable with just that. So I bought me some washers and drill the hole so it can fit and, you know, make up the difference. This is how I'm doing it. And then I also need 2 more for the firewall, where it goes into the firewall. So I'll show you once I get that mounted. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. I really appreciate all the support that I'm getting. All the comments and likes and shares, all of that really helps the channel. I really appreciate that. Thank you. It's hard to get this on camera. I'm on the floor, but I found out that if you just put the wire in backwards, I know that's not the right way. This should go through this side and out through the firewall, but if you do it this way, you can, if you're doing it by yourself, you can pull the fitting. If you can see it, I got the fitting right up against the wall. It would be nice if I had another person that can push it and hold it, but I don't. So it's just me. So I'm pulling it towards me. Keep your attention on the wire. That way the threads are shown, and I can just slide the nut and the washer on the wire and get it up there, and then start tightening it down. That's a tip that you can do it by yourself. Okay, where is it? There we go. Yeah, my light didn't cut on this time, but let's see. As you can see, it's pretty much tight. I'm using a 14 swivel extension. I'm using a 14, a swivel and an extension. And then let me show you what I'm doing underneath the hood. Pretty much I just got a 14 on it underneath the hood. There we go. That's all I was doing, and it holds itself. So I can do this by myself. And you can too. Tune back in once I get it on the throttle body, connected to the throttle body. Okay, next, pull my wire back out. Now I'm gonna feed it from this side. This is actually gonna get connected to the gas pedal. The tip of the gas pedal, if you can see it up in there. Where is it? The pink wires in the way. You can see it right there. And then we'll be straight. Just finished up this throttle cable. Well, not completely finished, but for the most part finished. I done shortened it. I think I want it set, yeah, about that length. I could have shortened it some more. I don't know, I might. We'll see. But yeah, cable. The only thing I gotta do now is just hook it up. Hook it up right there. Just, that's quick and easy right there. I'm getting it done today. Next on the chopping block, Harbor Freight CoverPro 12 by 20 Portable Garage. All the different pieces. See how long this takes. As soon as I stop recording, you gotta open your mouth. Boy, I tell you, you just gotta be on camera, boy. Why you always gotta start to steal? Why you always gotta start to steal the spotlight, man? This is my show. Okay, nah, you gonna be quiet now? Or we getting it. I got some help, but he like to steal the show, but it's all good. Yeah, I know how to deal with him. So here's what we've got so far. So we're about to get the roof done. All right, we got those together. It's coming along. Now we're working on the legs, on the walls. We got the doors up, front and back. Now we're about to get the cover over the top. About to get the cover over the top. Then we'll be done. Yeah. Oh, man, when you do, like you have been working. Yeah, you work. You did a little something. But yeah, it's done for the most part. Just tightening up some loose ends. Yes, sir. Got a nice little area in there. Yeah, you just gotta tighten some stuff down, anchor it, and get these little pieces on the ends, on the inside. Then we'll be done. I still gotta get me 2 more pieces back here so I can have a nice little room in the back so I can push the car back some once I get them other pieces. Got my little girl helping me. She's doing a good job. Yep. Getting it done. This dude, what? Dude, man, I thought you was outside. Dog, bro. Yeah, got my little garage door up. Yeah, so far, looking good. Also going in today is the AC Delete drip tray. And also have some butyl tape to help seal the firewall. This thing gonna sit right in there, boy. Holes lining up. Look like it's gonna sit right. If y'all can see that. I don't have the bolts all the way to the firewall, sitting off the firewall, but sit right there, bolts lining up, should be good. Got that drip pan installed, block off plate. I'm just missing a couple more bolts, but that's how it look. Looking good. So as you can see, the intake tube is above the hood line, so I have to fix that angle. I'm using a Holley adapter piece to bring the throttle body angle down. So I show that here. Holley 71715 is the part I'm using. Got that throttle body spacer in there. The joker right there. I need to get a flat gasket. That O-ring gasket ain't gonna work. I need to get another gasket like this. This came with the kit, but yeah, I need to get me another gasket. That ain't gonna work. I don't like the way that look or anything. But yeah, this intake tubing used to be like back here. As you can see, pretty much that same distance right there. It used to be like right here. Now I can swing this all the way down or whatever, however I want it. Pretty much going straight over here. Or I can flip it. I can actually flip it around now and then come straight over here, like it should be. But yep, that's it.